recommend free walking tours any place you go. We started ours of Old San Juan in Plaza Colón and then moved on to explore the little streets. It is great to have a guide show you around, explain the history of the buildings and the streets, and take you places that you might not go by yourself. The guide usually walks slow. You can ask questions. Sometimes you get a little bit of time to explore by yourself. And you might even come across some random event happening in the street during your tour. The Castillo San Felipe del Morro is a fort more than a castle. It's an interesting place with several levels, and if you can, do one of the tours that are organized by the rangers there. The ticket you bought for the Castillo El Morro is valid also at Castillo San Cristobal, so you can visit it on the same day for free. Located near the Castillo El Morro, the Museo de las Americas was one of my favorites in San Juan. It's in an interesting building and it has many big rooms with varied art inside. On the western side of Old San Juan, if the water is not too rough, you can walk the Paseo del Morro. It is beautiful. It will show you a different side of the Castillo del Morro, and you might see several cats and iguanas. Between the Plaza Colón and the Playa Escambron is a really interesting area, with the Capitol, other governmental buildings, several murals, and a really nice park. You can walk it along the ocean or walk on Avenida de la Constitución, and you can also rent scooters or bikes to explore this area. Playa Escambron is a great place to find turtles right in the heart of the city. I would suggest doing this with a guide so they can help you see more wildlife and help you find the turtles. And finally, don't forget to wander. Don't always take the same route from point A to point B. Explore the side streets. You might find beautiful buildings and cool murals. And also, remember, do it all again at night, because everything looks different illuminated.